In this video, I will show you how to install WordPress into your Q servers, but the same process can still be done for different web hosting services. But for this particular tutorial, we'll be using WordPress. So let's go over. I've already bought my domain and paid for hosting services. If you don't know how to get a domain name and pay for your hosting, check this video up here. I'll put the link up there. In that video, I already explained how you can be able to buy your domain name and pay for the hosting as well. But first of all, I would want to create a subdomain and then install the WordPress on it. So let me just show you step by step. Services. My service. This is the active host that I have. I'll click on it somewhere around here. Once it opens, I'll go to login to cPanel. That's my control panel. Once it opens, I'll go to under domain. Let me scroll down a bit here. This is what I'm looking for. Domains. You can see I have my domain here. This is my main domain. I already have a website running on it, but I want to install the WordPress on a different domain. So I will just create a subdomain here. Click on create a new domain. I want to call this domain blog, but they wouldn't accept that, so I will add the original domain name, which is gtf.com.ng. Okay, so everything looks okay now. It's okay. You now click submit. Alright, so after refreshing, it has appeared here. That means I've created a subdomain. So let's go ahead and install WordPress on it. Simply come to the left hand side and see WordPress Manager. Click on it. Alright, I already have this first one installed. So I'll click on this particular place, install. Then at this point, this is where I'm going to choose the domain to install it on. I already have WordPress installed on the main site, so I will select the blog.gtf.com.ng. Make sure you remove this WP. If you don't remove it, it will be appearing on your. If you don't remove it, every time you put in your website, you must add it's hyphen then WP. So one thing to correct here, I can't use HTTPS, so I have to use HTTP. I think that is okay. So the site wouldn't have an SSL certificate. Every other thing, you can call it any name you want, but I just want to put it. Let me see, my blog. I think my blog is okay. Then the description. There's blog site. So remember, you can always change this anytime from your WordPress. The next thing I would correct here is the admin and password. Let me just put password, since it's 2 weak dots. Put dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just to make it look a little bit this. So the language is there. I wouldn't want to bother installing any theme or anything. I'll do that directly from WordPress. So I click on install. It should happen in few minutes. Alright, it literally happened in seconds. Oh voila, I've already installed the WordPress. So to see the website, you can click here to blog.gtf.com. If you search it on any browser, it will appear there. Then if you click on this, it will be /WP admin, will take you to your login section. So let me just click on this one first. I'll open it in a new tab. So as you can see, this is the website. It's already up and running. So we'll quickly do some configuration on it. So let me click on this second one now to log in. All right, so this is it. Here, so we'll go ahead and customize by installing a theme, then some plugins that will be helpful. So the first thing I'll do is to install a theme. Go to appearance and then themes. If you want to install this particular theme, you go to add new. I'll search for Astra. Okay, this is the theme I'm looking for. So I'll click on install. Now it has finished installing. I can now click on activate to turn it to. Alright, before we continue, after installing the theme, let's just go to our website and see the changes, if any significant change has occurred. Okay, not really. So let's go back to the themes. One of the reasons why I use this theme is that it comes with templates, pre-designed websites that you can easily edit the different sections you wouldn't want. I will just show you how it is. So I click on install the. Alright, I will select Elementor as my page builder. I wouldn't want to use the block editor or this is the one I'm more it's actually the most popular one. I'm more conversant with it and comfortable with it. So this is the good thing about this particular theme. They have the pre-designed site I'm telling you about. You can go as much as searching depending on what you're looking for, but since this is a blog, I'll just search for blog and let's see what it gives us. Just to make my let me use this. I kind of like this, so I'll click on this. At this point you would have to do some beginner settings like uploading your logo. So I'll click here, select. I would use this logo. Okay, let me just use this one. So this is the way it's gonna look. I want it to be small. This size is okay. All right, continue. So you choose your brand color, the colors of the color you want your website to have, or according to your logo. I'll pick this one. Let me see the one that I like most. Kind of like this one. I think this is okay for me. Choose the font. This font is okay for me. Give your basic information. Let me see, my name is Stan. I'm assuming you're a beginner, so let's just say I'm a beginner building website for myself. I don't want to receive any emails. So make sure that these things are checked. Make sure they are checked. Everything. Install the required plugins. You wouldn't need to be installing the plugins one after the other. So this is gonna take a few minutes. Alright, as you can see, it's already done 100%. So let's go ahead and view our website now. Okay, so with just the installation of this one theme, you can see the amazing transformation of the complete website. So you can go ahead and start making your edits, change the names and everything. Let me go back to my dashboard. So you can now go ahead and make the necessary edits like the pages. Let's see, I'll open this in a new tab. Let's see the different pages we have now. So we have the about us page, the contact us page, the home page, the service page. So to edit them, you simply click on, let me try the home page. You click on edit with Elementor and then it will come out. I also have a video where I explain how you can use Elementor Elementor is the page builder I selected for this website. So for the Elementor, this is it. Continue. To use Elementor is quite simple. I'm going to make a video to fully explain the different features and options you have in Elementor. So for this, I am just going to make a very quick change. Like, let me change this multi-purpose template. See the way it works. Once you click on any element, it is simply drag and drop. Once you click on any element, the options comes on the left hand side where you can make the edit. So let me change this first one. Let me just change the name to on this blog, just for test purposes. And for this, let me call this just for the purposes of this. So you can click on this. This is what I edited. You can edit this to whatever you want. And that is it. Click on updates. Check from here to view the website. So you see the things I've written have already changed. So this is how you do everything, the functionality and everything there. So guys, thanks for watching the video, and do make sure to like and share the video with anyone that you think that would need a video. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more. Thank you.